that kind of a food you comparing that it's not on her money. That is her sideline that to become mag-sideline na siya nga mag-apam. Normal. She was in the outside country. Oh. She had nothing to do there. She only like sitting pretty. Everything is in the dirty foreigner who spend support with her. So the restaurant, the food, everything, don't be comparing because she had also nothing. She had no work in outside country. Kapwa lang siya. Langaw siya nga nagtungtong sa kabaw, napakabaw-kabaw food. Sabot. Oh.